I would go down to the high school. I do go down to the high school because I'm specialty, right? I don't want run of the mill guys that are just looking to change oil. But I go to the high school and I go, listen, there's an auto shop here. Great. Well, you got any promising students? Yeah, great. Well, tell them I got an internship program that's scholarship based. It's not college, right? It's the word eludes me, right? We're a trade school. And what we want to do is you will work underneath my senior technician at a minimum pay rate to see you can get hands-on experience inside of a real automotive shop, and we can try you and you can try us. So you can have a summer job, an after school, a weekends thing, depending on what your shop is capable of doing. And you can trial these people and run them through your own shop and use your own in-house training and knowledge at no additional cost, and have someone that can clean and do trash and help the back end of your business. And you can acquisition a motivated worker that has no ill experiences and nothing to unlearn. And if you can, don't, right? So, oh, you guys should get an automotive. If you want them to get an automotive, come work for you. Offer them
Yeah.
something that sounds lucrative, and they'll come right to you. So I find that, like you're saying, if you really want to get in with that kind of stuff, there's some great opportunities. But if it works for your business, then find a way to offer it to them, and you'll find I've had some great people